Facebook Live or Facebook Premiere? What's the difference and which one should you use to market your business? Let's explore that right now. I'm Brooke Miles of Delaware Shoutout, where we teach you how to outshine your competitors on social media. Now, pretty much every entrepreneur has heard of Facebook Live, where you broadcast real-time video on Facebook, but not everyone has heard of Facebook Premiere and how it can also create some excitement in your video marketing. They just do them in different ways and suit different personalities. On average, Facebook Live videos get more engagement, more likes, comments, and shares than any other kind of post. It's real time, it's raw, and it appeals most to extroverted entrepreneurs who can handle and even thrive on spontaneity. Introverted entrepreneurs, and by the way, I'm totally in this camp, could do Facebook Live if they had to, and I have, but would prefer not to. And if you're a perfectionist and an introvert, Facebook Live is not the best option. That's where Facebook Premiere comes in. With Facebook Premiere, you're pre-recording everything in advance and you can edit your video to your heart's content. It creates excitement because you load the video in advance of its debut, and an announcement post is published to your newsfeed, which tells people that your video is coming. People who see the post can click on a Get Reminder button so they can get notifications of your video a couple times before the video airs. Stay tuned, because in this video, I'll show you how Premiere is set up compared to Live. Facebook Live is typically cheaper because there's no chance to edit. So you're not paying anyone to edit your video, or you're not spending hours of your own time, which could be spent doing more lucrative activities with your business, editing your video. Also, by extension, Facebook Live is also faster. But if you have the time and the budget, Facebook Premiere is a viable option. On the flip side, Facebook Live puts you at risk for problems happening while everyone is watching. Think of Wi-Fi going in and out, spinach in your teeth, wardrobe malfunctions, the list goes on. If you need more control, Facebook Premiere is for you. When it comes to excitement and engagement, Facebook Live does have an edge. This isn't just because it feels more human or because you're creating a sense of urgency like I mentioned before, but because you can answer comments directly in the video, looking at the video in real time. Now, it is a little bit tricky to film while you're also looking at comments and answering them, so I do suggest if you go that route that you have someone help you. One good thing about Facebook Premiere is that while the video is playing, you can just focus on the comments because you've already recorded it. Now, I will tell you it's not going to be as personal as actually answering the questions in the video, but still, the logistics can be really easy at that point. Here's how they each work. For Facebook Live, click either Publish or Photo/Video. Either way, you can select Live Video. From there, you can start your video. You also have the option for some fun decorations and embellishments here and there. By the way, this is how an introvert like me really feels on Live. On the desktop version for Live, you can also use a stream key if you want to use some streaming software to include some pre-recorded content or use multiple cameras, etc. But if you're going for your basic live video from your webcam, you can go live now or schedule a live video. This is where Facebook Live and Facebook Premiere are similar, because if you schedule your live event, an announcement post is immediately published to your page, and another announcement post happens just as you're going live. Also, people who see that initial announcement can click on the Get Reminder button to get a one-time notification shortly before your live video begins. Warning! If you don't go live within 10 minutes of your scheduled time, Facebook will cancel your event. So be on time. Now for Facebook Premiere. Click on Photo/Video and select the video you want. From there, add your title and description, then press Next. Then select Premiere, as well as when you want the video to go out. You can even upload an image. This image will be shown with the Premiere announcement post, which is even stronger than the Facebook Live scheduling option. Also with Facebook Premiere, anyone who clicks on the Get Reminder button with the initial announcement post will get a notification 20 minutes before your video starts, as well as 3 minutes before your video starts. The notification at the 3-minute mark invites viewers to join the broadcast lobby, where they can start liking, commenting, and sharing, even before the video starts. What do you think about Facebook Live versus Facebook Premiere? Let me know in the comments below. Also, remember to subscribe to get easy access to our latest content, including Facebook marketing tips to help you outshine your competitors on social media. Have a great day.